Hi, so I'm going to demonstrate how to put a boat on the top of your truck. First, you start with one of these really handy dandy goal posts, right? But this goal post is actually the back of a truck bed extender that would normally stick out like back there. But because of Bob Steckelberg of Handcock, Wisconsin, we now have this really nice goal post. That is awesome. It goes together pretty easily. Well, if it's greased up anyway. Alright, so you get your cotter pin in there. There. And then you put the bolt in. And that secures it from all of this wobbling. Right? So once I finish this and tightened it all up, wrench, I will come back and show you how we put that big boat up there. More soon.